Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing really good. Today we came to Dubai Waterfront Market and this place was so huge, and this place had like all different kinds of shops. It had fruits and vegetables and meat and fishes and so many different things. But today we came here to buy fishes, so, without wasting any time, we straight headed to the fish area. Sorry, fish zone. Maybe, or like the place where we find all the fishes. And there were so many variety of fishes. It was like so good over there but there was something like it smelled too much. Now you can't complain because like it's a fish market. It needs to like smell bad, so I didn't mind. Anyway, we of course we started bringing, like, we especially wanted to buy fishes like I said, and we wanted to buy shrimp, prawns, just like same thing but different name, prawns. So we just took prawns, and then we were seeing what to take, like other fishes, and there were so many big, small, medium sized, different variety, different sizes, anything you want. Even this mini baby sharks were there. Everything was available, and I have to say, mostly like so many crabs were there. I checked it out. The most things over there were the crabs. Also, this place had like aquariums where they had like the live fishes, and it was really good. Like the experience, this was the first time we were visiting there. The experience was really good. Only that I hate going to fish markets because of the smell. I hate that smell a lot. So I was like little distant from the market, but like the rest of my family went there. It was okay with me because like I just don't like it. I don't feel well. I feel kind of sick. Anyway, as you can see, there were so many different kinds of fishes and varieties of fishes. I don't have any idea of their name, but I don't need to know. It's just like I will buy some of the fishes which I like to eat and which I usually eat, and that's all I know. I don't want to be like a marine expert, so it's alright. And after this, we went to check on the aquariums, all the live fishes and all. I practically did not like it that much because like most of them were just like crabs and crabs and crabs. I don't like crabs that much, but it's okay. They were like crabs, two tanks full of brown, black, something like yellowish crabs. But it's okay. Like at least they have some views, and it was really fun because like if we go to a fish market, we don't usually have crabs there. And also we had like goldfishes, and it was so good. Like, you remember we also used to have goldfishes, and these were fish eggs, like the fish eggs. Yeah, that's all I need to say. Fish eggs. And we explored the market more. After exploring almost everything, we bought some fishes and we were about to head home. And that's all for this video. I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.